In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cabin air filter on your Toyota Tundra located behind the passenger side glove box. On the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and open up our glove box, empty out any of the items inside. Now on the right hand side here, we have a little retainer right here. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers and just gently pinch these tabs and slide this off, like so. Now on both sides of our glove box, right about here is a little retainer tab or a stopper that stops us from coming down. We're going to push in on this side and push in on the passenger side of this here, or the left side. That's going to allow the glove box to drop down. Now you can leave it hanging there, or you can simply slide it off of the hinges. Up inside here is where the air filter is located. Now there's going to be a little tab on this side here. You're going to push in, as well as on the other side. Pinch those tabs and pull it straight out. And grab our air filter. And pull that out. Now our cabin air filter was pretty dirty. If you look inside this pocket and you see any debris or anything like that, go ahead and run a vacuum inside there, but most of ours was contained right on our filter. You're going to take your new filter, line that up, and slide that right into place. And take the door and line that up. Now this does have verbiage on here that says up with a little arrow facing up. Install that cover, press it on, you can hear it snap into place. We're going to grab our glove box and we're going to hang the hinges right on the bottom here. And simply push this up into place, pushing it past the tabs. Now we can grab our little cylinder down here. We're going to pull this down, line it up, and push it on. Install the components for your glove box, and go ahead and close the door, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.